Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at a cabinet for my washroom. And it comes in white, as you see. And it's 30 inches wide. Oh, it actually has the measurements here. It comes with instructions, how to put it together, hardware, legs. As you can see, it comes in a big box, but then it's wrapped also so it doesn't get scratched. When it got delivered on a pallet, and the guy that delivered it was nice enough to tell me, look, check it before I give it to you and sign the paper form. And I did check it. It seemed like everything was fine, and it is. Now the reason why I have it laying down is because I'm gonna leave the legs out, because I'm gonna put a marble top and then the bowl sink. And if I put the legs, it's gonna be too high. If you put the legs, it's probably better if you put a drop-in sink. The cabinet itself, from the very bottom without the legs, measures 30 inches tall. From side to side, it's also 30 inches. And it's 21.5 inches in depth. I like the way it looks. I like the way it's finished. It has a matte white color. These two drawers open up, plus the bottom one. And it does have a stop. I'm trying to pull it further, but it doesn't go any further. It's a little dirty in here. Easy to clean. It's probably because of the holes that they made here. The floor is uneven on my basement, so don't mind this wobbling. And if you do want to put the legs on, they're in here. Let's see. Here they are. So this gives you about 4 inches in height. So once you screw them there, if you want to have it higher, you can. You put in the drop sink in here, so you can wash your hands basically in here. But what I'm gonna do is put a marble sink on top, and then a bowl with the faucet on this side. So that's why I need it to be a little bit lower. So I've put the knob so you can take a look on how it looks with them. And they are chrome. So it gives it a very nice look overall. The screw on the bottom gave me a little bit of a hard time because there's a bigger space. It also has its little adjustable legs. So you can put this on the very bottom of the legs. Unfortunately, you cannot put these in there. It would have been nice if they were both the same size. So there you have it. It has a very nice finish. Look. It slowly closes. I have to adjust the door. But it's easily fixed by moving these screws down here. Once I do that, then it should be able to close like that. As for the drawers, you have plenty of storage here. You have to push them shut. So it would have been nice to have the same mechanism as the door, where you just simply push them and then it closes by itself. Not on this case. You have to basically pull them hard and then kind of hard to push it back in. Hopefully you like the video. Hopefully this gives you a better understanding of what you're getting when you buy this drawer. It looks elegant. I like the way it looks. Unfortunately, I have to adjust it. Thank you and enjoy.